हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है, एज यू नो, टुडे इज आवर डे 6 ऑफ DSA Pattern Series of two-pointer approach. And in this problem, we are going to see about the square of sorted array. Basically, the problem is easy level problem. And in this problem, first of all, I solve the problem. Then after I explain the approach, how I going to solve, how I solve this problem. Okay. So let's start our understanding of problem. Then after we are moving to the solving of the problem. So the question is the LeetCode 977 square of sorted array. We have given integer 1 short in non-decreasing order, return an array that is square of each number. That means we have a given one number. We have to square that number and sort it and sort that array. So here you can see after squaring of the array become -4 become 16. 1 square become 1, 0 square become 0, then 3 square become 9, and the 10 square become 100. So the output is 0, 1, 9. So I hope the problem is not harder to understanding. It's very easy level problem. You can understand easily. So directly I'm moving to the solving this problem. And then after I move forward to how I solve this problem. And after that I discuss the approach, what I can do in the problem. So in the problem, first of all, I initialize one variable that is n and is equal to nums.length. That means array.length. Then after I create one array that is used to hold our resultant array. So I created one result array that hold our the resultant array. The same size of the array. Okay. Then in two pointer, you know very well, left is equal to 0 and the right is equal to n -1. Here one thing I created index. Index is equal to n-1. That index is used to filling the value inside our resultant array. This index is used to filling the value inside the array. Okay. So I hope you understand the what work of this index. Okay. So next I apply while loop, left greater than equal to right. Okay. Then I apply if math dot apps of nums of left greater than math dot apps of nums of right. Then what have we need to do? We need to do our power means square. So nums of index is equal to nums of left into nums of left, and the increase the our left side value. In else section, we directly no need to putting the conditions, so we can directly solve this nums of right into nums of right, and the if left side values increases, then the right side values decreases. So right minus minus. I hope this much of basic understanding you gain through my previous videos. The two pointer how the workings are doing, and here I putting index minus minus. Why I put index minus minus? Because already index size is array equal to array size. So if we insert one value, then reduce the one index from the our resultant array. Reduce one, reduce one, reduce one. If insert one value, then wait, I will explain after that running this problem. Here I forget to put semicolon, and the next index minus minus. Here I also forget to put semicolon. Now you can see the output of the code. Missing return statement. Mhm. Uh, in the final, we need to return our result. What happened? Index for out of bound length at the index solution sorted square. Let's start with maybe the one. I think non-stop right. Wait, where is the problem? Basically, we need to find our error. One a small error occurs inside the code. Maybe the mistake occurs due to array size. You can see here index out of bound. Why index out of bound? Here I put n minus 1, but the initialize the n value is nums dot length because of this the error occurs for the last index out of bound. So you can see the problem is solved. All the test cases are passed. Now I have to uh, give the correct explanation of this code. Okay. So don't worry about this. How the I solve this problem. I put it in the left corner, and then I will explain you one step. Okay. So basically, this is very easy level problem. You understand clearly. Now I'm going to solve one line by line. I created one resultant array that is hold our sorted array, squared sorted array, and one index having the last. That means index, if index is 5, I insert one value left side. That means nums left into left. That nums left into left, first value is 0. So 0 square if inserted inside the array, then the index decrease by 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The index finish, the resultant array will be come as a sorted array 0, 1, 4, 3, as like this. Okay. So I hope you understand very well how the process is going inside the our loop. And why I put here math.apps, because inside there is some negative values are also there. So removing the negativeness, I put math.absolute. That means it gives absolute values. It's not considered the negative sign or negative values. Okay, or basically this is for the, did you know sorting algorithm that applying for the, if the left side value is less greater than the left power, if the right side value is greater than the right power, and insert into the right side index. So I hope you understand very well. So let's subscribe our channel and continuously join us to improve your DSA skills day by day. At the one day we become the master in a DSA. So see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.